ADA, we start with the 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, when we get this down move and when the price reversed, when the price was exactly somewhere around here, we mentioned we cannot look for buy. Let the price can drop, and this is exactly what we get. If we refer to 15 minutes, it will be more clear what I'm talking, because after we get this reversal, we mentioned the price will drop. We cannot look for this one as a reversal. Anyway, no one say how we can look for trade. First of all, we move to forward chart. As we can see, based on forward chart, the price after we get the breakout of this correction, the price was at the top, the highest price for the ADA, but suddenly sharp. Can we look at this one as a flat? But the only thing is the price broke the previous low. That's why the only way we can look at this sharp move down in relative to this correction. Okay, putting these two in relative to each other may be considered as a expanding flat. Okay, but if we move to 1 hour chart, the price haven't retest broke this low, but I don't think we can call it running flat anymore. Anyway, we don't need to care about that. The only thing is from now, if we get any reversal, we take the trade. That means we look for buy. But what I have here, it doesn't give me any trade setup either for buy or sell. First of all, if this one turns to a deeper correction, maybe we can look for sell. But the only thing is, do we want to sell at the lowest bottom of this correction, this flat? Either we call it running or expanding flat. Okay. Right now, I cannot say if we get a correction, we can look for sell. The only thing is I need to see what we get here and how deep that correction can be before we look for the trade. But if we get any reversal from here, we will be more interested to look for buy. Any reversal with a flag, we will take the trade. Okay, but right now we cannot look for trade. We have to see the reversal flag, then from there we can trade. And how about if the price sharply reverse from here? The only way is to have entry above this. But we need to know the entry above this is really risky. The price easily can tag and this one turn to a bigger flat in relative to this. Because if I move to 15 minutes, how about if we get this one, the price tag, this one turn to a flat in relative to this for one more drop. All right, that we should know that having entry above this is really risky, even with the gap we have it here. Okay, what we want by having entry above this, above here, which is around 1.72, we want the price break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving, we take out the trade within the first hour. Similar to last time when the price was within this correction, we put our entry above this. This is what we get. We want to see this kind of the sharp move. But the question is, can we expect if the sharp move from here give us a breakout of this, similar to what we have here, or similar to this, if we consider there was entry above this, just as an example. All right, that's why traders they need to consider whether they want to have entry above this, they can manage or not. But for me, I suggest that we wait for the reversal flag, then from there we can take the trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is better we wait, we see what we get here before we take the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.